Howdy y'all, I got this Sony Walkman that I've been using lately, but it kind of has stopped working. I mean, it still like makes noise, but if I go and press the play button, it no longer plays it. But I can hear the motor, and it was actually working earlier today. I think it happened though whenever I was fast forwarding or rewinding. Might have been just going too bad. I think the belt finally gave. So let's see if we can fix this. Now, funny, on this particular model, there isn't actually any screws. Instead, I believe there's just a bunch of clips right here, here, and here. So I'm hoping it's gonna be easy to get, but you know, I've gone and had things spiral before, so we'll see. It is a little hard to see in there, so I'm just gonna start poking and prodding and hoping that it works. Actually, it's telling me it wants to do the precision screwdriver of a flat bit. It's a little tough pushing this in. Come on. Come on. Only a couple more to go, I think. I hope. Oh, we are so close. There we go. All right. Now for the reveal. Yep, the belt fell off. Not too bad. Now, thankfully, this belt hasn't, like, disintegrated and returned to its primordial ooze, but still probably gonna replace it. Especially considering I think it's supposed to be taut like this. Let's see, what would be the closest replacement belt to this? That one might be good. Definitely a lot thicker. Hopefully it should be good. Let me just put some batteries in real quick. It keeps skipping. Ooh, it is not liking that. Okay, so the tension must not be correct on this if it keeps doing that. Let's just try putting the old one back on here real quick. There we go. And let's try putting the tape back in after I, fix the tape again. There we go, all better. It just had the wrong tension. And then we're gonna rewind and fast forward. Perfect. I might need to look into getting a new band for this in the future. I mean, I might have one that works. Probably look into getting which exact one I need for this particular model. In particular, I'm thinking this one's a 0.7, and here I really only have 0.5s and 1s, so gonna need something in between. For now, let's just put this back together. Cool, that works. Cool. This all works as planned, so thankfully I got it back up and running using the belt that it came with. I'll need to order some more 0.7mm ones in the meantime, but good to know that I do have options. That's gonna be it for now though. So long, y'all.